Hey, what up? What up, everybody? How you guys doing? What up? What's it looking like? What up, guys? Man, what do you guys know? Look at the trade that we had taken earlier was around this area or whatever. It ended up coming right back. How we just held and not gotten out. The idea was right. It just a little too soon, but that's, man, I think I should have held it instead of taking it.
What up, everybody?
Oop.
How you guys doing?
I'm on stream open. I should have just held the trade, to be honest. It was down 120 pips or something though, but man, it would have came back. All right, I need to figure out some of these areas. I'll start off brand new. Forget it. Let's do it. I hate starting off brand new because you kind of remember these previous levels for a reason. But if you're good at the analysis, you could do it a million times. It doesn't matter, you know. Something like that, maybe. Yeah, I know, player. It does that sometimes. I don't know why, but like I said, it's almost to the point. I know these ideas are gonna be right. I should have just held it, you know. And the thing is I think I got out like right here or something. I forget where it was, or it ended up being something like right here. But what's crazy is if I just would have held it, Don Bo ended up holding, and he ended up coming back in a profit, breaking even pretty much. But that's what I'm saying is. That's all we would have had to do. Trust the analysis. Trust the analysis. I think that's where a lot of problems come back into play, is just because we didn't trust the analysis. Had we trusted it, we would have stayed in and just ended up pushing to where we were going to go anyways. We knew. I said at one point it had to come down here at some point. I knew it had to come down there. But that's where I'm just getting better. Every day we're getting better, man. That's it. That's all we could do, get better every day. I'm drinking a milkshake right now, so if you guys hear me drinking a milkshake, that's what I'm doing. I need to post in the Discord real quick also. Let's see. We are in the Discord, y'all. Announcements, everyone. We are streaming. Yeah, that's a good way to stay disciplined that way, player. That's how you do it. Just gotta keep staying disciplined. Talking about low risk closures, yeah, like exactly. up, Spectral? What up, Spectral? What up? What up? Just kind of going over a little bit of analysis, just trying to find some levels real quick. You know, just something simple, not too much. What's up with you? How you doing? Nice. Yes, sir. Just chilling out right now. I got on a little late today. Yo, Turpy, what up? Yeah, I got on a little late today. I had to do some stuff, but I was watching Wix's stream and he didn't get a trade today. But Don Vogt ended up getting a trade. I seen his Instagram saying he took a 14 pip trade. And I was like, oh, damn. I missed that one. What up, V Chromes? How's it going? Champ, what up, champ? Got some familiar faces showing up. Anything playing up? Not yet. Just kind of doing a little analysis right now, actually. Trying to see what I see right now. Trying to see if I see something I could probably take advantage of, or see if I could, you know, try to get something going. Might be slow till London. Yeah, I know I'm already kind of late. Yo, Maximo, what up? Good night. By the way, you notice I called sales from 46 to 24 last stream? Yeah, you did, champ. I remember that. You were saying it. Did you end up getting in or not? But I do remember that. Remember we were up here, we were talking about that. Man, that was a good move though, man. Isn't it weird? It's like they know how we act. Almost like when our emotions get the best of us and we finally get out, then they turn it around and go back exactly how you. It's like they understand that if they push you so far, they go a little bit, okay, you're not gonna fall for it. They go a little more, okay, you're almost gonna fall for it, and they ship it one more time, and then it comes down and then goes up, and it's like they're playing with their emotions so bad. And then when everybody finally starts to sell, boom, it happens. By the way, yup. No, I originally planned to leave one of the pineapples open from Dawn's. Yeah, that's true. But ended up closing full. Hey. Well, like I said, that just what that should do is just give you more confidence in your analysis, you know? So you're on the right track. I took like 43 to 29 this morning. Damn, Turpy killed it. Damn, I was on the wrong side of that one. Had enough with the drawdown and trading the night. I know. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Kind of looking like we are probably done for the night, as in, you know, this movement doesn't look too much like too much is going to be happening. There is a minor resistance right here. Yo, 140 pimps, Turpy, that's crazy. Gave you some time, man, you'll get it. I know, Turpy, that's good work, man. Proud of you, man. You doing your thing. You're doing your thing. And guys, look at what shows up right here at the top of this move right here. Look, it's a 42, y'all. 42, 42, right? The same way down here, it was a 42 that let us know. All right, boom. 42 to let us know coming down. So eventually it's going to probably come back up the same way. So right when everybody thinks it's back down, oh, nope, we're going back up. Same way this happened. Crazy, huh? I caught 126 total with my runner. I'm probably wrong from a couple pips. Turpy, 100, 150, same thing. But man, that's broke. Can you confirm if that was a 42 in the 15 on the 5th? Oh yeah, no, Carl, that was actually on the 30-minute. Look, I'm on the 30-minute and there's one right here. And then you go to the 15, I'm sure you see one again, probably, yeah. Exactly. So there's already one on the 15. And then if you do notice this long wick on the 30 is almost like more confirmation now. Because look, if you go zoom in all the way to the 30, you see this is the 42, right? And then this one broke. So this came all the way up. It created a top wick for this candle right here, and then it came down. So you could have honestly taken the trade either at that point or even at this point, I think, because it broke the high, and on the way down, that would be the coming down. But yeah, that was a crazy one right there. But I think, I guess, to be on the safe side, you could have even taken it at this bottom area. But yeah, that was a 42 for sure. But the same way this 42 happened right here, look, this was a 42 from the day before, right? And look at what happened. It came right back to those areas. So we actually broke it, but this is where I'm saying is that I think at some point, if we want to come lower, we're going to have to come up like that. So since we now came down lower like this, now we got the strength to go back up again. So once we start breaking these levels, I do think we'll eventually come back to these levels again. The GJ buys I have planned is playing right now. I missed my entry. Ooh, champ, no worries, no worries. Like you said, just use that as a mental trade. Use that as a mental trade. Why would you have gotten in there? You know, and then remember it. Okay, this is why. This is a good play. And then, you know, keep it as a mental rep. Oh yeah, Turpy. Jeez. But yep, Carl, that was a 42. But what does that mean? It usually means a fake out's coming. Let's see. Oh, look right here, possible fake out right here. I'm wondering if that's a fake out. Just look at my GJ. My entry would have been right at the bottom weight. Damn. GJ's right here. Damn. There it is right there. Ooh. Nice. 2 or 3 pips up. Oh well. How old are you, player? I am 32 years old. I'm 32 years old and I've been trading for probably like 2 years, 3 years now. So I'm still kind of early in my career, because I mean, I could even say that the last year and a half is when I really learned about Dawn. So in the last year and a half, I've probably been real serious about trading. My goal in October now is to be more confident with my setups that I see. Exactly, champ. The only way to get more confident though is to be taking trades that follow your plan, and when your plan plays out, that gives you, you know, the rep, the confidence and stuff like that. So that's what's important. Thanks. I used that confirmation when I entered a sat 40 all the way down to 31. Dang, Carl. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Good work. Good work. Hey, Helen. How you doing, friend? Appreciate you for stopping by. But Carl, man, that's a good idea. Carl, so one way you could remember is how the 42s, remember, like how we were saying, if the 42 is up here, then that means it'll go to your most recent, it'll go at least to your most recent support, which is pretty much down here, and that's where it was at. I mean, this one, this 42 though, that I thought was gonna go to the most recent support right here, it actually broke way past that. So that was on some other stuff, but it went to the most high pretty much. But yeah, that's kind of how you can tell how far 42 goes, most recent support. You know, at this level, you probably would have maybe did a break even and then let it ride type of thing. But yeah, that's good job, Carl. Good job. Cool. I am 28. Oh, that's cool, player. That is cool, man. 28. I wish I was trading at 28. So yeah, man, you're pretty early still. By the time you're my age, you'll be in trading as long as Don Vo, and you'll be as good as Don Vo. I'm talking about Brazil. How you doing, Brazil? I appreciate everybody for watching though. If you guys haven't hit that like button, hit that like button for me. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe. I would appreciate it. Where's player? Turpy, you held and caught that runner? Yeah, he did. Last week he killed it. Yo, guys, my bad, just got back. Had to go do something real quick. How you guys doing? What you guys talking about in here? Gonna take a smoky. Life is good, bros. We all gonna make it. Be right back. I like that, player. That's cool. Yo, what up, fellas? I appreciate everybody for joining. Appreciate you guys. We got 26 people watching, talking about our Slovakian wives. What else? I know. Yes, sir. Let's go. Player. Bros, you guys don't need an imaginary girlfriend. You guys do good in trading, you have all the girlfriends you want. Carl, that was a good move, Carl. Big swings today. Laughter, I know. Crazy swings. Kind of thirsty right now. I wish I had something to drink. I might have to go to the store to get something to drink. I'm so thirsty. True. You hear me? You hear me, player? That's what it is, man. Look, this is what I've heard. If you chase women, you won't get money. But if you get money, women chase you. See how that works? Champ. How you guys feeling though? What you guys think? You guys got any ideas about what the market is doing? I kind of have no idea right now, to be honest. When I remove these lines, it just looks different now. True, their eyes change completely. Gotta take these entries. I know. But we also can't take bad entries. You take bad entries, your wife is gonna leave you. You take good entries, you get as many wives as you want. Is there another 42 around 30 level, 15-minute time frame? Sorry, if you can maybe talk about it again, the 3-piece, that'll be great. Yeah, Carl, I got you right now. And don't be sorry, Carl. There's never a bad question, so feel free to ever ask whatever type of question you ever want to ask. Feel free to ask. Don't ever be sorry for asking. But yeah, I'm gonna show you right now. So you want me to explain the 3-piece again, right? So the 3-piece is the same idea of the 42, but the thing is it's the third candle that's important. So I'll draw it out for you right now, but I'm gonna see. Okay, is there a 42 around the 30 level? Bit me some. You hear me? All right back, player. Let me see, the 42 around the 30 level. On what time frame? On the 15-minute time frame. Around the 30 level. Let's see. Okay, my bad. Peace, bit. Yo, chasers, no chasers. What up? What up? Oh no, my bad. I was reading players' comment. I didn't mean I was gonna be right back. My bad. But Carl, let's see. All right, you said around the 30 level. Okay, so look at what happened here. Look, we have this one and this one. So I mean, this is also the thing that's important too, Carl, is that you guys also don't understand. You guys won't know if this ever like wicked up to signal we're gonna go up first, or if it just wicked down and never broke back up. So it's also important to okay, let me explain the 42 is this right here, right? Okay, this third one is the 3-piece. So it's the same idea where the second candle is inside of the first. So what I'm talking about is the 3-piece. So the 3-piece, the third candle has to break the low of the first or the first candle, either the high or the low. So if this third candle goes low and then back up underneath this right here, so let's say this is the entry. So once this third candle breaks underneath this and then on its way back up, it will signal a 3-piece. If it's going down, it will come up first, and then on its way down, it would signal the 3-piece once it breaks this top of the first candle. But that's where I say it's, you guys would have to be watching this live to really understand if this wick down and then up to signal going up, or if it just closed like this. But I'm gonna take it for what it says right here, is that it didn't wick back up. It just closed underneath. So like I'm saying is this is the 42, this is the idea with the 42, right? So it needs to close inside of it, the second one inside of the first one, right? And then it's up to the third one. If the third one doesn't break it and signal the 3-piece, and let's just say it closes right there, but it also closes underneath the second candle, then you would just take the trade right when it breaks the bottom of this. The idea would be you would take the trade at the bottom of this. But as you can see how it wicked up first, it wicked up like this. It went up first and then it came down. You could have even probably taken this trade at this point, because if it breaks that high of this third one, then it lets you know it's probably going to fill in the wick at least. And then if it breaks the low of it, which it did, even though it did go up for a little bit, but it never broke in the high either right here. So it stayed underneath that. So as it just stayed underneath, is, you know, that would have been the 42 idea. But like I was saying about what the 3-piece is, this is what the 3-piece is that the 3-piece is the same idea as how it starts with the 42. You need a first big candle, you need a second candle inside of the first candle. It can't break the low or the high of the first candle. It has to stay inside of it. And then when it does stay inside of it, it's up to the third candle. Once it opens up, if it breaks the high of the first candle or the low of the first candle, it lets you know which way it's going to be going for the 3-piece. So let's say we're looking for a trade to go down. You would wait for this third candle to break above here, and on the way back down is when you take your trade. Is at the point of the entry would be the top wick of the first candle. So that would be your entry right there. So if that would be your entry, it would be the same thing going up. You would need to break the low first, and on the way up, your entry would be that. So you would take the entry on the break of the first candle wick, either the low or the high. So it depends on which way you're going, but it's going in the opposite direction. So if you want to go up, it has to go down first. So the only thing difference between the 3-piece and a 42 is that the third candle doesn't break the high of the first candle. It could break the high of the second, but it can't break the high of the first or the low of the first. So it can't break the high or the low. So the third candle pretty much signals that. And then that's when the 42 happens. Is once the 42 happens is the break of the either the high of the third or the low of the third. And that's what the 42 is. So yeah, like I said, the 42 and the 3-piece are the same idea, but it just signals something different, where the 3-piece could signal that we're just going to continue up, whereas the 42 lets us know eventually there's going to be a fake out to come back down. So if this was a fake out that all happened, if you kind of notice right here on the 15, like you were saying, look at there's one right here. Look at there's one right here, a 42. Then look at there's a 42 right here. But if you notice, this is, let's say this is a good example to know what not to do. Is that if you can see this third candle right here, it broke the high of the second candle, which is a good sign. Okay, so that would signal, okay, we're possibly gonna go up. But the thing is you see nothing broke the high of that third candle. So if nothing broke the high of that, you would stay out of that to go up. You know, look at the high of that and the low of that. Look at which way it actually broke first before. So the high of the third candle was these lines. It didn't break it going up this way, but it broke it going down. And then look at when it did break it going down, look at what happened after it. It lets you know that was the direction. So that's why it is kind of important to make sure you need to break the high of this third candle to signal the 42. Yeah, that's the idea. And then like I said, that was the 42, right? So there's one pretty much there's that one, and then there's another one right here. Look, that's a 42 in itself. And then this is a 42 in itself right here. That's a 42 idea right there. And it's the same exact thing. Boom here. Same thing, a 42 right here. Same thing with these two candles. And then another 40. It's like this whole section was 42 after 42 after 42. Look at that. All of these candles were pretty much all of that. But if you kind of get the direction from the very first one, which was this one, this is the first one. So if this is the first one, then it broke the low of the third one first. It broke the low right here of the third candle. So from the first one, it already signals we're going down. So you could have possibly been in a sell from this point right here. It would have been a little shaky. You would have just had to trust the analysis for a little bit. And if you would have been able to hold through all of this little shakiness, you would have been able to make it for that. But that's where I say it's important to just trust the analysis. I mean, sometimes you're going to be wrong. You have to be able to see when you're wrong too. But it's just, you know, if you were in a trade, you know, there's nothing breaking these highs, so it doesn't even give you the indication that we're going to go higher, you know. So all of these are kind of shouldn't stress you out, you know. Just got to trust the analysis. Revo, how you doing? Hope that helped a little, Carl. I think it's going to print that M5 wick at 31. Let's see. Ooh. 31 will be somewhere up here. Oh, right here. This one right here. That one. Basically the same as it did on New York yesterday when we didn't have that bottom 4 wick. Yeah, at 1928. Yeah, pretty much like this right here. Let's see. Lawyer, please, bro, can you explain BOS, please? Break of structure. I don't really do break of structure, but I'm sure you could find a video on YouTube. Watch, I'll show you exactly how to find it. Explain break of structure. Break of structure trading. Perfect. Look at break of structure trading. Boom. Break of structure. All of these are about break of structure. And there's a lot more than what I can teach you, bro. So trust me, there's better videos right here in 15 seconds that'll give you drawing explanations and everything like that. So look at all these videos right here. Shorts. Break of structure. Boom. Break of structure. Break of structure. Break of structure. All of those. And then if you really want to get fancy, look at there's even look at the top right here at this top area. You can see I have a thing called strong supply and demand, strong demands and supplies, liquidity. And look at where it says right here, it says a break of structure. It points out a change of character right here too. Look, it lets you know exactly a break of structure. So if you're having issues with break of structure, there's videos for it, and then there's also indicators for it. You just got to type in strong supply and demands, and then you type that in and click on one of those, and it'll even show you exactly where a break of structure is, so you could see it visibly. Gold pond, yes, 42 area, good for sales. Ooh, nice. Let's see. Ooh, dang, we have a big fair value gap way up here. I'm wondering if we could even touch that. But 37 should break. 37, oh, that's where the break of structure happened at last time. Look, that's where it was the break. So we flew right through it. But big buyers are taking market. Let's see. Yes. We did close above. It did look like we closed above, and we respected it. Bands. What do you think finna happen overnight, brother? Shoot, man. If you do notice, this was that big drop that came from the news this morning. So that was all of the volume, and it's looking like this is gonna trickle up. And if you notice, it does say right here, previous day's lowest price. So this was previous day's lowest price. We just got into that area right now. So we have we do have a second level right here. So I think we could at least tap this 29 area, possibly even this 30 area. We're gonna probably tap this 30 area first, and then it's gonna make a decision at that point. Like I said, it does say, yeah, we're gonna fill this fair value gap, which is all of that, and we'll probably go up to there to tap it. Yeah, this is the area we're gonna probably go to. H1, let's see the H1. Ooh, yup. Yeah, I can see that the hour doesn't have a top wick. And if you do notice, look, this is a 42 that formed right here, a 42. So even on the hourly, you would have already been able to predict that this was going down from this area. So just the break of that third candle would have, you know, sent you out all the way down here. Because like I said, the 42 signals fake out. So there's a fake out coming. You know, 42 happens, signals fake out, and look at that, was a fake out right there. Let's see what those two candles are. And look, it's the hourly or 4 hour fake out. Also, there's one on the 1 hour fake out kind of, but if you go to the 4 hour, it actually shows the bigger one. So most likely it's going to come back into this range to, you know, to make that 5-minute wick and touch support. Your voice volume low. Oh yeah, my bad, I did turn down my mic by accident. Hopefully it's a little bit better. Hopefully that helped a little bit, but yeah. Appreciate the explanation. Yes, Bands, no worries. I take the trade yesterday, basically the same as we talked to NY and lost. What you mean, Revo? Which one? The same as we talked about NY on NY with what lost 20 pips. Yeah, that was the one. I mean, I lost the trade this morning too for and I was taking it back like half. I'm liking that 1930 tap for reversal down to 23 zone. Ooh, all right, I see that. I mean, but then you kind of go to the daily. We are bearish on all these time frame, on all of these right here. But we did already create a bottom wick. I'm wondering if that was for liquidity. Oh yeah, yeah, the morning one for me. Yeah. Yeah, MJ, and it's also too depending on which time frame. You know, you can probably see them all the time on these levels, but if you go to a higher time frame, you'll probably see it. So look, like I said, if there's one right here on a 1 hour, you'll probably see it throughout the 30, throughout the 15, throughout the 5 and stuff, and then you could probably find it on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour too. But the idea is, look at right here. Look at MJ. There's a fake out, big giant fake out there. There's a big giant fake out here. So within these 4 candles, there's literally 2 fake outs. That explains why throughout all of this area, you keep seeing 42s all playing out. They play out all in throughout here because they're already happening on bigger time frames. But like I said, that's why that happened, and that's why that move happened. It's literally just fake outs, but back-to-back fake outs. But that's why I say it's important too to understand the time frame you are, where you are in the market and stuff. It's not, you know, that's not the only factor and stuff. Well, that's the thing too, MJ, is that it could go anywhere. There's really no, like, you know, if you kind of look at the chat, everybody has a different number of where they're kind of looking for, you know, so everybody could be right. It's just about when it's gonna happen. And that's the important part about trading, is finding out when, because I mean, eventually it's going to tap all of these levels, but the important part is when, you know. So that's why I say too, it's important to understand. But yeah, that 45, 46, yeah, this definitely was, yeah, that faked me out. I got in somewhere like right here thinking it's going to go back down, but no, that was that push right there. 23, 25 was a good level, played well. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, right here, right there, and right here. Now wait for the level is good. Yeah, that is true, gold. That's what yeah, I mean, I'm honestly thinking I probably should put this line down here, to be honest. That should be the line. I'd be trying to look for all the zones now and trying to see which one it respects most. Yep, that's exactly true, MJ. It's all the time frames have to make sense. You know, you might see something on the 15 that goes against the whole 30, but then that's where I say you might be that might also be a signal. If you're getting confluences from different time frames saying different things, that probably is telling you that it's not, you know, as strong as you think it is or what. So you could probably use that as information, you know, when you're kind of thinking, oh, I see something on the 30 but it's doing the opposite on the hourly. Knowing that those two things are going against each other is probably a good sign to stay out. But yeah, like if I see it on the 5 minute but also on the hour, it seems like a bigger play at hand with that hour, but it still look for small play fake outs. Yeah, that's the thing, is like how I'm saying too, it's important. Like if you see something on the 5, this is what I say about the 42s though also, is that you see right here there's really no fake out or nothing right here, but you go to the hourly, you see a fake out, you see the 4 hourly. So that's where I say the 42 is going to possibly show up either on the 5 or the 15, somewhere right here to indicate, or actually it'll show up probably right here to indicate that this is going to be a 40 fake out area. And that's where I'm saying if it shows up somewhere right here like it did here, eventually it's going to show a fake out. Because look, if you kind of think about it, if you want to be technical about it, look at right here, there's some support right there, and look at this, there's a 42 kind of forming, and that was like a little fake out right there. That faked out back into that range. So that was that 42, and then you go over here, there's another 42, and then that was the fake out on the bigger time frame. So all I'm just saying though is that this 42 idea is not supposed to be the end all be all strategy. It doesn't fix, you know, if you can't trade or do this or that, it's not gonna save you. You know, it still takes a lot of other factors. You know, it's just the way I could read the market. When I understand, I start seeing these things form, I understand at some point a fake out is about to happen, and that's where I'm saying is I'm trying to prepare for that. I want, because you look at what happens when you see a fake out. When a fake out happens, it just pumps. It doesn't consolidate, doesn't do nothing. It just moves in the direction that it needs to go. So if you can if you can predict when this volume is gonna come in, that's what I think is important, is being able to predict it way up here, already understanding at some point there's gonna be a fake out that comes down. So, and then if you kind of think about it, this is a break right here of this structure, this candle. So this is like a breakout trade. So once you get like a breakout trade, it's already letting you know, okay, eventually there's gonna be a fake out. It's an indicator. Let's see. My bad, I just seen your message. Like if I see it on 5 minutes, okay. Smart money was in buy, and then they took profit and showed some buy at 24. I'll wait for good levels. Yes, that's true, gold. What's an indicator, MJ? What you talking about? Or are you talking about what is the indicator? We will see good volumes today in the U.S. market. Wait for that time is good in my opinion. Yes, good pawn. Unemployment came. Oh, FOMC, good move. Let me see. Do we have any news tomorrow? We just went through our news today. So this was today, and we already closed. Now let's see if there's anything else. Oh, there's a red folder at midnight. I don't know if that affects London or not. And then there's also one at 4 a.m. Ooh, GBP. And then at 5:30 doing New York. Ooh, unemployment claims. Okay, that's what you're talking about, gold. I see what you're saying. Yes, that's important. So watch out for that. It's going to be the same thing. That's probably what, okay, if you guys remember, this happened this morning before news. Now this happens today before news tomorrow. So news tomorrow is probably going to do this whole range back up again. You mentioned it's not the all be all, and I was agreeing it's just one of the many. Yeah, exactly, MJ. You know, it's just another way, because like I said, I've understood how those kind of things, those candles work and stuff. So I kind of use it as, like you said, like an indicator to let me know, you know, what's kind of going on. Because if you notice right here, this is a little 42 idea. If it wanted to go down, it would have broken the highs to come back down. So this is explaining why it didn't continue down and it turned around. So the idea would be able to catch this move, and knowing that it's a fake out coming, you take the next one out. You know, so like I said, if you could take, let's say you take 10 pips, or this is, damn, that's 40 pips. Say you take 40 pips down, and then you get back in right here, and you take another 20-30 pips. So within this small little range of, let's say 50 to 60 pips, you're able to pull out 60 to 50 pips type of thing. That's why I say it's important to understand, you know, if you're able to find this move and then that move, that's all we need. Because if we're able to predict this move and we hit and we close out, then we just got to wait for this move so we could ride it back up and hit again. And that's where I'm saying with this 3-piece 42 idea is giving me the ability to be able to jump on 2 trades within a small range. I work on price action, VSA, EMA, and RSI with fundamentals. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I don't really use any indicators. I kind of use this one that's a supply and demand one kind of, but I don't really use it too much. I mean, I do once in a while, but this is a good sign, you know, when things like that happen. My side 1946 was sell on evidence with the 24 with TP 24 and long waiting for 1895. Ooh. Dang, that would be a cool long hunt to get in at 1895. Hey Pip FX, how you doing, man? I'm just doing good right now, just kind of looking over these charts, just looking over things and, you know, just hanging out. Appreciate you guys for joining me. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe, hit that like and subscribe for me. I would appreciate it. We're trying to hit 1400. Let's see. Oh, 1340. Let's hit 1350, y'all. 1350. Hit that subscribe button. Let's hit 1350, y'all. Order block, supply and demand gives you a level, and on level short time frames give you less stop loss. Yes, that is true. That is why I use this supply and demand. It just gives you quick levels real quick. It does give you fair value gaps right here too, but I miss your live back then. I love seeing you up on here doing great, man. Hey, Pip. I miss your live back then. Oh, man. Appreciate it, Pip. Appreciate it. Big much love to you, brother. Much love to you. Appreciate it, bro. Means a lot. Means a lot. Y'all make me proud, man. You guys are giving me the motivation to keep going. You know, and if I don't give up, then you guys can't give up. And that's a deal. If I don't give up, you guys can't give up. Just know I'm gonna be here to the end. So if I stop streaming for some random reason, that means something bad happened. I'll be here every day. So until then, you guys are gonna see me every day. So bro, how do you intend on this London season? To me, we should be selling. Yeah, well, we are technically a lot bearish. We are really bearish. But the thing is if you look at where we came from, we did come from down there. We came all the way back over here. So the last time we touched these areas, look at where we ended up coming back to. So we did kind of come back up to these levels. So I am kind of seeing possibly us coming back in here to range. But like somebody mentioned earlier, there's a lot of folders coming up in the next the big one is right here, unemployment claims for the US. So that's a big one that we got to watch out for. So what we're kind of assuming could be happening is that, you know, we could be just warming up for that news. So if we do kind of come up, it could possibly be exactly how this was. We came up, but we came right back down after. So, you know, if we do start to come up, be ready for it to probably continue down. Or if we continue down, be ready for it to probably come back up. So that's the one thing too, is that we're going to be watching out for that. Bro, you don't have group for us to be together. Sure. Appreciate it. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button. We're trying to hit 1350. Let's hit 1350. Is that a journal? Yes, this is a journal. I need to start recording every single one of my trades. I stopped doing it after a while, but I started again today, so I almost went a whole month without using it. But I was on fire. I don't know why I stopped doing it, but yeah, I'm gonna start doing it today. I did a loss today, so. But yeah, that's a journal right there. If you guys want to get that journal, you guys could follow us on Discord, and I'll link the journal and stuff. So, and our Discord, if you guys look at our YouTube description, we have our Discord link, we have our Instagram, and we also have our TikTok link inside of the description. So make sure you guys follow all three of those and stay tuned with us every single day. We stream every single day. And we're giving out free signals, and I'm just showing you guys my trades. Let's say it that way. I'm just showing you the trades I take, and that's kind of what it is. So make sure you guys are joining up on our Discord and stuff like that, and make sure you guys are subscribing on YouTube. That way you guys don't miss a stream, because we stream here on YouTube every single day. So I also started to note my trades after that loss we took. Yeah, Revel, that's what I need to do, because honestly, the only time I'm gonna learn is from the losses. So if I'm not tracking my losses, then it doesn't do me no good, you know. So hopefully after 6 months or something, I could review all my losses and then try to fix it, you know, whatever I need to do to fix it. We haven't hit that weekly 50-52 yet. Almost. Maybe we will before coming down. That bit tornado you talk. Oh, yep, that is true what you're saying. That one that we were talking about, that 3-piece right here on this weekly. This is the one that formed. But we did create a giant top wick for it though. So I'm just wondering if we need to create a bottom wick again before maybe going back up. But it does, I do see us hitting that 52 level. So maybe with this new news in the morning, it takes us up there before coming back down. But that made sense, you know. That is a good, that's one of those indicators that did let it did fill in this wick at least though. So but yeah, that's a good idea. MJ, that's a good, I forgot about that too. Yes, please link the temp. Hello, yo, help me, sir. Gold would not come down. I know. Ian Love, let's see. Ooh, was that a 3-piece? Let's see, the low 28. Yeah, that did look like a 3-piece right here. But if you also Ian, if you kind of look at where we're going though, look at we're coming down, and this is like a retest. So you're taking a trade on a retest kind of a thing, which kind of explains, I mean, I could be wrong too, it could go up, but what I'm saying though is that we're taking a trade going up like this already into this resistance where we got rejected at, you know. So if anything, we would have probably wanted to see this one coming down like that. If this one would have went up first, that would have probably confirmed this move even more. But since it kind of gave us an idea that we need to go up, that's probably what this top wick was. If you think about it, that top wick, it just went up real quick and then broke the high and then came back down. Almost as if that was the 3-piece that went that way. You know how if it would have went this way first, it would have signaled that. But it did that. It went above, came back down after that. It's just weird. Like I said, this is also one thing though, like how I'm saying is that if you kind of look, if you would have taken that 3-piece, if it would have went going up over here, you would have had a better idea of it kind of happening, where look at where you're taking it into a resistance kind of a thing, you know. So it's, unless it breaks out, but the thing is it needs volume to break out like that. So at this point it would probably be a bad idea to take that one going up, so you might want to stay out of that one. Whereas if you would have seen it down here at support, there's a better chance of it continuing up, because look at the way it's already kind of going. But I mean, you're not wrong. It's just the thing is it just doesn't look like it might play out, but it might not. Because you have to think about it too. Our idea for a 3-piece is to run at least 10 pips. So if you were to do your 10 pips, look, 10 pips will be way up here. So if you have to make it way up here, do you really think that 3-piece would turn around, go above this, break the levels that we weren't even able to break before, and hit the 10 pips? Kind of a little shaky, you know what I mean? It's a little harder to do that. Whereas if, let's say it happened right here, and then your 10 pips is just back into maybe resistance, there's probably a better chance of it hitting that. So that's where I say is kind of use your 10 pip as your indicator. But look, who knows? Let's say it does go up, then you are right. But that's where I say it's just important about understanding where you are, you know. But that's a good kind of a good example. That is a good good eyes, Ian. Trust me, yesterday too much profit everyone had. 1947 to 28 sell position, great profit. I know that was a beast. If whoever took that 47 sell, man, they're swimming in the money. I appreciate everybody for watching. If you guys haven't hit that like and subscribe yet, hit that like and subscribe. We're at 1340. We're trying to hit 1350. Let's hit 1350, y'all. That's a lot, though. That's crazy to have 1350 subscribers. That's solid, man. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Every single one of you guys coming with me to the top, man. Mark my words, man. I expect the 1 hour to close bullish next 4, grabbing liquidity and driving, and that will give us more sell opportunities tomorrow. Yeah, I mean, who knows? We might even get stuck right here until technically London's in 3 hours, 3-hour open. So if anything, we might just get stuck here, and then London does give us that little bit of volume, and then the news, it's going to be up to the news what happens. But the same way it kind of happened over here before news and all of that, it might have already priced it into the market before the news kind of came out. So I'm wondering if the move might happen before the news. But then again, this news is at 5 in the morning. Oops. This news is at 5 in the morning, 5:30, where the other news was at 11 p.m. So, or I mean 11 a.m. for me. So it's kind of late. Yeah, that could be it, MJ. I don't know if this is right, if I even have it on right, but look, it's probably gonna trickle down to here and then go up like that. Sometimes pre-London give us nice move or nice volume. Okay, I need to go to work, so see you after 10 hours. All right, Revo, you have a good day at work, man. It doesn't look like nothing's gonna be happening for a few hours, so I think you're good, so don't worry about the market too much. All right, see you later, Turp. See you later, Turpy. Wish you a great night, bro. Didn't have time to talk much today, but I talk to you soon. Ain't no worries, Turpy. All good, brother. Like I say, you got my Discord or Instagram. It don't matter. Message me whenever, bro. We'll talk. Appreciate you. Sucks to be holding your fib level, yeah. I know, he don't have to go on a flying, huh? He's leaving us, no! Alright, give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna be right back. I gotta go do something real quick. Oh, okay. I'm gonna send it to you right now, Pip. My bad. I just got back. Let's see. All right, the journal. I'm gonna send it to you on Discord then. Let me see. Newbie, you just joined, right? P. Your name is P, right? Look, if you go right here too. Where's it at? Right here. Pip, right here. On this website too, you could check right here. Sign up for free, right here. Sample size journal. Trading journal, right here. I gotta pull it up on my screen real quick. But if you want to sign up, that's how you can find it too. Let me see. I'm gonna find it for you right now, but I gotta open it up. Alright. Oh, welcome page right here. Discord right here. Alright, I'm gonna send it to you right now. I just got it. P. Please drop the journal again. I'm here from YouTube. I got you, P, right now. P, I'm gonna send you the journal right now on Discord. There you go. Oh wait, that's his that's not his journal. Let's see. To use file, make a copy. What the heck? To use file, make a copy. Sheet 12. How would you send his though? Oh, and he got the playbook. Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's on that. Maybe time to sleep. What channel? What do you mean, MJ? What channel? What? Oh, I posted it in the community chat. But I posted Don Vo's Discord. So the thing is if you go to his journal on his Discord, Let's see, where's it at? Journal, 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 journal. How do you find his journal? Oh, right here. Channel info. Channel info. Wait, dang, what the heck? How do you send the link of his journal? No, I don't have no trade yet, bro. Nothing yet. If we didn't get in down there, kind of too late already. What's probably gonna happen is we're gonna probably make our way up down to these areas, and then either come back down or continue up. But we gotta make it past these levels first. Yeah, something like that. 1929 area. Oh, let's see. How do I send his journal though? I'm looking for a possible sell, but the thing is I won't take nothing until we see these areas up here, because I kind of see these areas getting tapped. I appreciate everybody for watching. If you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button for me, please. We're almost at 1350. We're trying to hit 1350. XC, not looking for a sell yet. Not looking for. I'm still seeing buys. Yeah, fluidity. I see a buy at least up to these 32 areas, because it looks like this will be at least the first tap before we make a decision. So it's either going to reject off of that, or it's going to pass up that and continue up to fill in that range. Yeah, that is right, Pip. I do see a buy being, a quick move, and a sell will be one you have a runner. Just vibe. I need to be riding. Yeah, MJ. I'm doing some stuff right now on social media real quick. Doesn't look like we're gonna get any trades, so I'll be probably hopping off pretty soon too. You got the buys? Damn, that's pretty good then. Oh, nice.
Yo, Antonio, what up? Hey, Sniper. What up? Good afternoon. Good morning. But yeah, look at that 15-minute. Look at that. Perfect, right? That's crazy. I can't believe I missed that. If I would have seen that, I would have been in that. Crazy three-piece right there. Yup. Dang. Crazy. Oh, Antonio, my bad. I just seen your message. I'm from California in the United States. Where are you from, Antonio? Yeah, this day no volume. It's kind of dead right now. Towards the end of the session. Cracking open this Red Bull. Oreos on deck. Nice, brother. Nice. I'm like, I have water right now, but I'm like thirsty for like something, something a little more than just water. I don't know. I might have to go to the liquor store or something. Chicago. Nice, man. Nice. Yeah, I'm in California, bro.
Morning. Can you explain the three-piece? Yes, I'll explain the three-piece real quick. I'm gonna be getting off real quick, but after this I gotta get off. All right, look, the first candle is like this. The second candle needs to close inside of the first candle like this. It can't go above the first candle's high or below. And then it's on the third candle. If you're taking a trade down, it needs to break the high first, and on the way down, you take your trade at the break of the first candle, like that. And if it's going up, you got to break the low first, and on the way up, you take your trade on the break of the low of that. So that's pretty much a three-piece. That's how it is, simple. And then you just find them. You find it. Look at right here. Look at this one right here. Look at this. 1, 2. It's inside of the first candle, right? And look at the third candle. It went all the way up here. So it broke the high, and on the way down was your trade. And that's the trade that let us know, boom, that was happening. So that's how that works. That was a perfect one on the 15. There's one on the 15 minute. So if you go to the 15 minute on gold, at the top of it during news, you'll see that's right what happened right before the drop. That would have been the most ideal one. Any time frame, they do show up on all time frames, but you also have to determine where you are in the market. You're at the bottom of a range. You're at the bottom, you don't want to take one going down. You know, if you're at the top of the range, you don't want to take one going up. Like up will be like that. So as you can see, we're at the top of this range already, and this was the move. Ooh. So you know, and look at the three-piece happened here to come down. It didn't happen to go up. If it would have went up, that would have been a little scary to do that one. But you know, this one that went down, it's forming this to go down. That's the one you want. I need to span it out, yeah. But yeah. So was it on the, yeah, it was on the 15. If you could look at the top of the range, but right after news finished, this was the three-piece. This candle right here, this one next to it, and then this one with the long wick. These are the candles right there. So if you guys want to look at it, go and look at that one, and that was a perfect example right there. But yeah, all right guys, I got to get off right now. I got to go to work in about, it's 10:45 right now. I got to go to work at 2:30, 3 o'clock. So that's in about 5-6 hours or so, whatever. But yeah, so I'll be getting off. But I appreciate you guys for joining the stream today. If you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button, and also hit that like. It'll really help out. And if you guys want to join our Discord is in the description. Go to the description and you'll see our Instagram, Discord, and TikTok in there. So if you guys want to follow us on any of those platforms, feel free to, and message me anytime. But I appreciate you guys. Appreciate it, MJ. Appreciate you for showing up, you know, and keep working on it, man. We're going to keep getting better every day. So I appreciate it, guys. You guys have a good day. See you guys tomorrow. I'll be on tomorrow for London. I might not make it for Asian because it's going to be kind of late that I show up back after work. But I'll be on for sure for London. So make sure you guys are showing up for London tomorrow. All right. I'll see you guys. Peace.